few things are as satisfying for breakfast as a breakfast burrito. So today, I'm gonna show you how I make my jalapeno hash and chorizo burrito. So I'm gonna turn my pan over medium heat. I'm gonna remove the casing of the Kroger Mercado chorizo. So I'm gonna add my chorizo in the pan. You wanna break the chorizo into small bites. Here I have Yukon Gold potatoes that I already peeled and grated. Make sure that you really squeeze with your hand. And then I also peeled and grated one whole white onion. See how much juice it has? So you wanna try to squeeze most of the juice out from the potato and the onion, because then you're gonna have a really crisp hash. Gonna mix the potato with the onion. Check in on my chorizo. I'm gonna slice my jalapenos. I love having the slices of jalapeno in my hash. Now I'm gonna add a generous amount of salt, black pepper. Chiles love the company of black pepper. And then I'm just gonna mix it together. Beautifully browned. I'm gonna make my jalapeno hash in that chorizo fat, and I'm gonna spread it as if it were a pancake. See how beautiful the jalapeno slices look in the mix? So this is something I've been sending Juju to school with. We want the jalapeno hash to brown before I break it into quarters and flip it. Beautiful. The point is that you want to brown it on all sides. As the hash continues cooking, I'm gonna crack my eggs. Just season with salt and pepper. So I'm gonna set it aside. So I have my pan set over medium heat. I'm gonna add a little vegetable oil. And then I'm gonna use two kinds of cheese, the Oaxaca and the quesadilla. And you can now find all the Mexican cheeses that you need with Kroger Mercado. So I'm gonna pour the egg into my hot oil. Wherever you see it sets, move it a little. And I like to add a lot of cheese. Once the egg is cooked, I turn off the heat. I got all of my ingredients at Kroger, including the Kroger Mercado tortillas, which are so extraordinary. They come ready to cook. Before I cook my flour tortilla, just have to make sure that your pan or comal or griddle is really hot. You can see how it puffs like this, because you want the tortilla to cook on both sides, but also from within. So first, the jalapeno hash, and the egg, and the chorizo, avocado slices. Now you have to make sure that you can roll your burrito, because if not, you're gonna have a giant taco instead. Now I'm gonna grab some plantain chips to eat along with the burrito. Here I have a little pico de gallo. Super filling, satisfying, and so tasty.